क्वेश्चंस थे, वो भी इजी थे,
Share the difficulty level of the paper.
मॉडरेट, नॉट
And
सो डिफिकल्ट.
the topics from which questions came?
हाँ जी,
Topics from which questions came?
टॉपिक्स मोस्टली क्लिनिकल, फ्यू डायरेक्ट. मतलब इजी लेवल भी था, कुछ कुछ क्लिनिकल थे. उनके ऑप्शंस में भी ये था कि हाँ, मतलब दो ऑप्शंस में थोड़ा डाउट था, वरना तो
So is this your first attempt? So was there any change in the exam pattern or structure?
माय फर्स्ट टाइम. आई डोंट नो.
Okay. So which specialization would you like to opt for? Which specialization would you like to opt for?
Specialization, any clinical branch.
What's your name?
Dr. Archana.
So how
Yeah.
was the difficulty level of the paper?
Actually, from last November, it was quite difficult for dental paper. I have no idea about the medical paper, but for dental, it was quite difficult. Yeah.
So which topics had the majority of questions?
It was kind of mix. We cannot say it was totally clinical or totally non-clinical. It was mixed kind of paper. Like, yeah.
So is this your first attempt?
No. Third.
Third. So
Yeah.
as compared to the previous papers, how was the difficulty? Easier or difficult?
It was basically 3 to 4 times difficult than last time. Yeah.
So which specialization would you like to opt for?
Sorry.
Which specialization would you like to opt for?
I love consento, endodontist. I want to become an endodontist. So let's see.
Your name?
Hi, I'm Dr. Aman Pratap Singh.
So how was the difficulty level of the paper?
Like, it was good, like, not so much, but like, depends on a person to person. For me, it was like bit okay only. There was a lot of optha there, and good medicine also. OBG was also fine, and biochemistry was good. So I would say it's a moderate thing for me.
And which topics had majority of the questions?
Ma'am, medicine had a lot of content, biochemistry had a lot of content, and ma'am, gynae was there. So these were the three major which I did.
So is this your first attempt?
No, ma'am, I'm giving my second
Okay.
attempt.
So as compared to last paper, how was it? Difficult or?
Yeah, it was better for me because I was better prepared last year. I wasn't so much well prepared, ma'am. So it was fine for me. Okay,
So which specialization are you looking for?
ma'am, I have MD medicine in my mind, so hope so I get so.
Your name?
Pranati, Dr. Pranati.
So how was the difficulty level of the paper?
There were 4 parts actually. So the part one, according to me, was pretty easy. The next subsequent parts, for me, they became difficult. In the last part, I felt I struggled a bit because the short subject questions I found them difficult. But I think the overall paper was of moderate difficulty. It was good.
Okay. So which chapters or topics had majority questions?
Majority, I will have to think about it after I'll analyze the exam myself at home. But I think the distribution was as it has been over the years: more of medicine, more of surgery, gynae, the major subjects, and less of the short subjects.
So was this your first attempt?
Yeah, this was my first attempt.
So which specialization are you looking for?
I want to take medicine, so let's see after the results.
Alright. So your name?
My name is Awais Ahmed Rishi.
So how was the difficulty level of the paper?
It was medium level.
And which topics had majority of the questions?
It was all clinical based. Majority of the topics were clinical based, and the topics were mainly from the first and second block.
So is this your first attempt?
Yeah, it was the first attempt.
So as compared to your preparation and practice, how similar was the paper?
It was almost similar. If you have done PYQs, and you will find a lot of similarities in this paper. PYQs, and you have to be smart while you study, while you prepare for such exams. You should know what to read and what to leave. That's the key to the exams, as INICT and other competitive exams.
So which specialization would you like to opt for?
I personally would like opt for dermatology, but let's hope for the best and do pray for us.
And was there any out of the out of the syllabus question?
No, everything was from the syllabus. Nothing was out of the syllabus. It was a bit tricky at times, but it was all was from and the syllabus. Nothing was out of it.
Your name?
My name is Alekhya.
Okay. So how was the exam?
It was moderate, I would say. Many questions were repeated from the previous year's paper, but few subjects were little confusing, like radio, ortho. It was not usual. Overall, paper was decent enough.
So which were the topics which had majority questions?
Majority questions were from second year subjects like micro, patho, ops, gynae.
Were there any changes in the exam pattern or structure?
No, it was like usual, like November pattern with 4 slots and 50 questions, 45 minutes each.
So as compared to previous paper, which one was easier? This one was easier or difficult?
Uh, this one was, for me, it was better than my previous attempt.
And which specialization would you like to opt for?
I would like to take up surgery.